Hello guys, how are you? My name is Aisha. Welcome my new member on my channel. Please subscribe and like this video. This video is related to introduction to C++. This video is very interesting. Why you let's start. Introduction to C++. C++ a multi-paradigming programming language that's subject for object-oriented programming created by ended in 1983. As well, C++ is an extension of C programming, and the program written in C language can run in C++ compiler. The development of a C++ actual being 4 years before its release in 1979. It did not start with the name C++. Its first name was C with classes. In the late part of 1983, C with classes was first used for AT&T's internal programming needs. Its name was changed to C++ later in the same year. It is course also used in the wide range of their application domains, notable graphic programming, C++ supports inheritance through class deviation, dynamic building is provided by a virtual class function. C, C++. C is a procedural language, C++ is non-procedural object-oriented language. Top-down approach is used in program design. Bottom-up approach adopted in program design. Multi-declaration of global variables are allowed. Multi-declaration of global variables are not allowed. C requires all the variables to be defined at the starting of a scope. C++ all the declaration of variables were in the scope the time it's first used. Uses of C++ language. C++ is used program to develop computer software. It is used to create general system software, used to build drives for various computer devices, software for services, and a software for specific applications used in the creation of video games. Advantages of C++. C++ is a relatively low level and is a system programming language. It has a large community. It has a relative clear and a mature standard, modularity, reusability, and readability. Disadvantage of C++ data is a global or local. It emphasizes our instruction but on our own data. It can be generally heavy if not careful. Data is a global and global data does not have a security. Standard libraries. The C++ standard libraries can be categorized into two parts. The standard function library, the object-oriented class program. The library consists of a general purpose standalone function that are not part of any class. The function library is inherited from C. This is a collection of classes and associated functions. Standard C++ library incorporates all the standard C libraries also with small additional and change code type safe. Simple program C++ include isostream.h, header file, int main function, curly braces, cout, hello, output statement, C++ data type, primary data type in float char void, user defined data type, structured union class, enumeration, a drive data type, array function pointer reference. C++ variable scope. A scope is a region of a program and broadly speaking there are three places where variable can be declared. Inside a function or a block which is called local variable. In the definition of function parameters which is called a formal parameter. Outside of all function which is called global variables, local variables, hashtag include, greater than, isostream.h, smaller than, int main, curly braces, int ab, int c, local variable declaration, a is equal to 10, b is equal to 20, actual initialization, c is equal to a plus b, c out, c return 0, curly braces. Global variable operator, arithmetic operator, relational operator, logical operator, bitwise operator, assignment operator. Assignment operator. An assignment operator is in the Context of C programming language is basic component denoted as functions. Function is a set of statements perform some task. Every C++ program has at least one function which is main, and all the most stable programs can be defined additional functions. Syntax of function: return type, function name, functional body, calling function. Functions are called by their names. If the function is without arguments, it can be called directly using its name. But for function with arguments, we have two ways to call them: call by value, call by reference. Arrays. Arrays are defined as a set of a homogeneous data items. An array is a group of elements that share a common name that are differentiated from another position within in array. It is a data structure which allows a collective name to be given a group of elements which have all the same type. Syntax: data type, array name, array size. The array which is declared as above is called a single dimension array. Float salary, float data type. The size of an array must be integer constant and the data type can be valid C++ data type. Array initialization. In C++, element of an array can be initialized one or one using a single statement. The number of values between braces cannot be larger than the number of elements that we declare for the array between square brackets. Concept: multidimensional array. C++ multidimensional array. The simplest form of the multidimensional array is to the dimensional array. Pointer to an array. You can generate pointer to the first element of an array in a simply specifying the array name without any index. Passing arrays to the function. You can pass the function pointer to be an array specifying the array name without an index. Return array form function. C++ allows the function return an array point pointers. Pointer is user defined data type which creates special types of variables which can hold the address of permit data type like char in float double are user defined data type like function pointer etc are derived data type like array structure union in are pointers. A pointer is a variable whose value is the address of another variable. Like any variable or constant, you must declare a pointer before you can work with it. Using pointer in C++, there are a few important operations which we will do with the pointers very frequently. We define a pointer variable, assign the address of variable to pointer, finally accept the value and the address available in the pointer variable. This is done by using unity operator that return the value of the variable located at the address specified by its operand. Concept: C++ null pointers. C++ supports null pointer which is constant with the value of 0 defined in the several stand libraries. C++ pointer arithmetic. There are four arithmetic operators that can be plus used on pointers. C++ pointer versus array. There is a close relationship between pointers and arrays. Let's check how. C++ string. The following declaration and initialization create a string consisting of a word hello to hold a null character at the end of the array. The size of the character array containing the string is one more than the number of characteristics in the word hello. Method: char creating. Method 2, char greeting. Thank you so much, guys.